For a few years, if you wanted good audio quality for your lifestyle YouTube vlog videos with an easy-to-use experience and wireless capabilities, your options were limited to expensive brands like Rode, DJI and few others. However, if you're a beginner creator, you might not want to spend so much money on your hobby. Fortunately, technology has advanced and now you can get a decent audio setup at an affordable price for creating YouTube content, vlogs and more. Today I'll be discussing the Neewer CM28, also known as the Fulaim X5 wireless mic kit, which was sent to me for review. This isn't a paid review and the company won't see the video until it's published, so I can freely express my opinion about this product. If you are looking for a wireless microphone system, stick around to find out why you don't need to overspend on brands like Rode or DJI anymore. By the way, this newer wireless microphone was used to record this and my previous few videos. Dealing with audio can be frustrating sometimes. For instance, I used a Boya wireless mic set with a lavalier mic for a few years. The sound quality was okay, but the setup was outdated and frustrating to use. Firstly, I had to keep an eye on the battery charge because the Boya set used 2 3A batteries in each receiver and transmitter. Especially when using it outside in chilly or cold weather, the batteries drain quickly. Additionally, the size of the setup wasn't very compact. If you carried it with a case, you needed plenty of space. Of course, you could store it in the pouch, but the transmitters were made of plastic and didn't feel sturdy enough to prevent accidental breakage in the bag. Lastly, attaching the lavalier mic to yourself was a bit of a hassle every time. But while I was using the Boya mic system, technology advanced, and now there are mic systems like the Neewer CM28, which costs only $129 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. The package that comes with this mic system includes a carrying case with charging capabilities, 2 transmitters with built-in microphones, 1 receiver, 2 dongles, one USB-C to USB-C and the second USB-C to Lightning, both meant to connect the receiver to the smartphone. There is also a cable to connect the receiver to the camera, a cable to charge everything, as well as carrying pouch and 2 small windscreens. So right off the bat, for $129 you get a quite good package. With this kit you receive a charging case that holds both transmitters and receiver, as well as 2 USB-C dongles for smartphones. You can charge the charging case itself via USB-C. The battery life of this mic system, with recharging up to 2 times in the case, is about 18 hours. The receiver comes with a small screen that shows the charge level of both transmitters and the receiver. It also has a button to adjust the recording level, along with the power button, headphone jack, output jack and a USB-C port. One thing I found a bit odd is that you can see through the output and microphone jacks. There's an empty space between them inside, which feels a bit cheap, I guess. However, this doesn't affect audio quality. What's really good about this receiver is that it has 4 GB of internal storage for recording audio, which gives you about 9 hours of recording time. Now let's look at the actual transmitters. With this kit you get 2 transmitters with built-in microphones, so you can record interviews or podcasts with 2 people at once. What I like about these transmitters is their form factor. They're similar to DJI wireless mic, and I prefer this design over the square Rode mic, for example. The Rode mic feels a bit bulky to me, especially when you attach it to your clothes. But these newer mics have a sleek profile that looks nice and doesn't draw too much attention when you attach them to your clothes. On transmitters you'll find power and set buttons, a USB-C port, a 3.5mm jack for lavalier mics, and the actual built-in microphone near the jack. There is also a clip and a magnet to attach it to your clothes. One nice feature of these newer mics is noise reduction. I haven't used it yet since I usually record at home, but if you plan to record outside, the noise reduction feature might be helpful. However, keep in mind that it has a strong effect on the audio, which could change the overall feel of it. Unfortunately, there isn't an option to adjust the noise reduction setting, so you only have the option to turn it on or off. Okay, I hope it's recording. I'm now in the field. I attached the mic to my sling bag strap. I put a windscreen on and I will now go further back to test out the range, how far you can go until you will lose the connection. And also I will read during that time some Taylor Swift lyrics for you. Enjoy and let's go. I don't like your little games. Don't like your title stage. The role you made me play. Oh, the fool. No, I don't like you. I don't like your perfect crime. How you laugh when you lie. You said the gun was mine. Isn't cool. No, I don't like you. So I now went a bit further back from the camera I don't have anyone with me today and I can't check if the audio is on the camera or not, but hopefully it is in the camera. Now I will turn away from the camera to check if my body will block the audio quality, and I will just tell you something like the camera, but maybe not. I will turn back into the camera and hopefully you can still hear me now. Let me know in the comments how is the audio quality with the windscreen being on the microphone. And yeah, I am now quite far away from my camera. I still see it. Hopefully you can see me too. And yeah, I don't know how much further you will need to go with this mic, but this distance from me right now I think is fine, and I hope you can hear me. And now I will go back. Still you can hear the sound quality, and I will read some more lyrics for you. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Yeah, I hope the sound is good. I will check it later and I will write on the screen my thoughts on it. And yeah, I will now go to another spot to check noise cancellation quality of this mic. Also, I want to check the audio quality being sideways to the camera. I'm now walking here. The windscreen is still on. There is minor wind, and hopefully the audio is also good. Let me know what you think. There is some people playing basketball in the background. I don't know if the mic will pick up the sound. Hopefully not. I also can sit here and will let you hear the ambient sound of playing people behind me. Pretty sunny today. Early summer in the spring, 25 degrees Celsius. What is happening? It's April and I'm with t-shirt outside. Nice. So I'm now in the middle of the road. There is two-way street over here, and I will wait for the cars to pass me by with noise cancellation being turned off. And I'm now holding the mic in my hand because I will need to turn on the noise cancellation. Now is another car passing by. You can hear the noise. The windscreen is on, and now I will press the set button on mic, and hopefully the noise cancellation will be turned on. So now it seems to be that noise cancellation is turned on. Let me know what do you think of this quality of sound. Now I will wait for few cars to pass me by, and also I will move further away from the camera so we could check is there any differences in transmission quality with noise cancellation being on or off. Few cars are passing by. There is some girls to my right that's screaming. Another car. I'm waiting for more cars to pass so we could check the overall noise cancelling quality. Let me know if you would like to hear more Taylor Swift lyrics. I don't mind to read you more. So, I don't like your kingdom keys. They once belonged to me. You asked me for a place to sleep, locked me out and threw a feast. The world moves on another day, another drama, but not for me, not for me. All I think about is karma. And then the world moves on. But one thing for sure, maybe I got mine, but you'll all get yours. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. I hope you like Taylor Swift and you don't mind the lyrics of her song. Here is the last test of noise cancelling of this newer mic with cars passing behind my back. I decided to come as close to the road as possible and just to check how is the sound quality and noise cancellations, because when I was standing over there to my left, maybe the road was a bit further away, but now it's directly on my side, and I will wait for a few more cars to just check the audio quality later on. I see one car is coming and another car is passing to my left. I don't know will you be able to hear it. Now I hear another car is coming. It just passed me, and I hope the audio quality will be good and noise cancelling also. No more cars? No more cars. That's it. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed this segment with me being outside. I really would like to record more videos outside, but unfortunately my English isn't that good. So I need to write a script, what I want to tell you, and then memorize it. And if I'm in the field, I really struggle to come up with things I want to say, especially in correct English form. Yeah. But like and subscribe would be highly appreciated. By the way, I recorded it with noise cancelling also. Yeah, so here you have it. This is the audio quality test of Neewer mic CM28 in the field, not at home, with noise cancelling being on. Let me know, what do you think? How is the quality? Is it good? Is it bad? We shall see. When it comes to audio quality, first let me know how you like the quality of the audio so far. It's been a little processed, and now I'll turn everything off and give you the actual unedited sound of this newer mic. The thing is, I'm not a professional when it comes to audio, so I don't think I actually process the audio in the best way. But for me, being a small creator, the audio quality is quite good. I have watched other reviews where people were able to compare this mic to DJI, for example, and for me the audio sounded very similar. If you aren't a professional who works with audio, then it isn't that easy to pick up the difference between two mics, which is great considering that the newer mic system is way cheaper but produces similar audio quality. Maybe it's just a tad worse, but that's almost unnoticeable. Now onto the things I wish could be better. Considering the price of this mic system, the material quality isn't the best. The overall feel of the plastics used for both transmitters and receivers, as well as the charging case, is on the cheap side. The more expensive mic sets will give you a better feel of materials. Despite the feel of plastics, I like that the inside of the charging case is yellow, and when closed it's held by magnet. However, in my opinion, the magnet isn't that strong. So if you want to grab the case by only holding the top part of it, then there is a big chance you will open while taking it off the table. A stronger magnet would be useful, as now you need to make sure you grab the whole case and not just the top part. Also, I think it's the same as with other mic systems, but I wish there was space to store the audio cable inside the charging case, so you won't need to carry it separately, which increases the chance of leaving it at home. Currently, the space is occupied by two smartphone dongles, which I think could be reduced to just one, because usually you would either use it with an Android or Apple smartphone, so it's unlikely you would need both dongles at the same time. But realistically, the audio cable still wouldn't fit, even if there were more space instead of one of the dongles. So do I wish the case to be bigger? I don't think so. Maybe I will need to figure out the way to attach the audio cable to the outside of the case, making sure I have it with me all the time. In conclusion, what are your thoughts on this mic system and its quality? Personally, I think it's a great deal. For this price, you get a convenient audio setup that's almost on par with much more expensive ones. Yes, the quality of the audio might be a bit worse if you are an audio professional, and you could hear that. Also, the quality of materials could be better. However, you get this setup for just $129, which I think compensates for all those downsides, especially for small or beginner creators who can't spend on the best products yet, but still want to have good audio quality to elevate their video content. As for myself, I will keep using this mic because compared to my previous mic setup, this one is much more convenient and pleasant process to use. It's great that we as small creators can now get good quality gear that doesn't break the bank. If you're interested in this mic, I will link it in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, as well as share your thoughts in the comments. I always look forward to read your thoughts. But for now, keep your heads up, stay positive, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!